I like what we're looking at. I like what we're looking at. And a gap up. Wow. Good afternoon. It is September 4th, 2025, and it's a Thursday, and we are in the 6 p.m. hour, and settlement is 6511 even. Ain't it beautiful? Yes, I do have this loss here today with a manual closeout here, but I'm really happy about what we got. Yesterday, what I wanted to see was us invert the week high, not the week high, the week open, and that's exactly what we got. I'm very happy because then that essentially means that all of these positions, if you've been trying to buy anywhere below here, below this range or within this range, you should definitely sit at break even now and see what's going to happen next, because this is very good cash positions for us to hold. We're losing we're losing our likelihood that we'll get this low here. So right now, the only thing we really need to keep looking out for is just not only this week low, but this weekly fair value gap that we looked out for a while ago. But it just doesn't seem like we're going to get it anymore, which is a good thing in terms of cash. In terms of day trading, it is what it is. Today was essentially a clear at a 9:30. And you take settlement, or you could just take the London low here. That's the London low right there. You take that and you go up to settlement. Beautiful trade, easy trade. Beautiful. We just need to make sure. I just wasn't sure that we would really invert this week open, but that's on me, and that's trading. But yeah. Settlement to settlement. That is exactly the kind of trades that I love to see play out. Yeah, it's just something lovely that I love to see play out. How it does it here is essentially, it looks like there's no fair value gap inversion here. So essentially the inversion is this. See how it creates a fair value gap here and then creates another one there. I pretty much missed all of this. I think I was AFK for all of this. Yeah, I was AFK for all of this, so I didn't look at the chart until here, and so my brain told me to try and get that. What I should have done is just waited until lunch passed to see if we truly inverted. We never did, and that's where I closed out manually. So yeah, that is what I did today, and that is what happened today. A beautiful New York open settlement to settlement trade. Lovely. You love to see it. You love to see it. If I was engaged, truly engaged, that's what I would have taken. Let's look at crypto real quick. We have really gone up. We have really gone up. This is a fair value gap that we were looking at. We wanted to see this inverted, and we have officially inverted it, and now we've gone back into it, essentially into this fair value gap, refilling it, and then going up. So I'm very excited to see us keep going up on Bitcoin. The only thing we need to look out for is to see if they truly invert this down close candle here for more highs. So yeah, if you've been buying Bitcoin down in this range, you got a pretty good position. It's not really something you should put at break even. Honestly, you shouldn't even put Bitcoin at break even, because it's never going to zero. Not financial advice, but it's never going to zero. So that looks good. Let me just peek at NQ to see how they did it today. And this is going to be a total shoot. And because I'm lazy, I'm just gonna look at this. Yeah, it's essentially the same thing, except they go to start work. They just almost take market on close. But essentially, if you tried that settlement trade, you would be well over the kind of heat that you should be taking. So that's not fun. but it is the trade nonetheless. Up to settlement. So yeah. Let's peek at the daily volume. I wouldn't be surprised if we're added. We are not added on the continuous. We're not added on the contract. We're not added on SPY. We're not added on the actual index, and we are not added on the Olanda contract. And we're not added yesterday, so we're really just looking at this. So really, right now, it's just seeing. I did call out in the chat that all-time highs was closed. I just misread it. I saw that this all-time high was closed. So right now, what we want to see tomorrow on a good old Friday is for them to completely go higher. This could, in theory, be a decent enough Thursday close buy. So you could look for, discount is officially 6485 and 3/4. So you could look for buys under this, but it would be more conservative to look for buys under 6501 and a quarter for a quarter retracement to see if they bounce off of this to go high. I wonder what level is near there. Sure enough, what level is there near the 25% retracement level is market on close. So for tomorrow, this could be the resistance that we look at. It was 6501.5. That could be something that you look out for as a buying opportunity. And then the 1 p.m. is all the way down here, so that's something that you could look out for because they could just easily just take week open to then go higher. So yeah, look at market on close tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday open buy could be great. That could be a great cash position. Not financial advice. Do your own research, take your own trades. But Friday's open could be a very good buying opportunity for, say, a weekly option, not weekly option, a monthly option, or just cash. And yeah, just to clarify, whenever I say cash, I really mean anything that's a month or above. So yeah, good luck tomorrow. You have a blessed day.